Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an audio accessory that could be a game changer for many setups. The Pegcabac dual male XLR to 1/8 Y-splitter cable. This particular cable, at a convenient 4 feet in length, is designed to bridge the gap between your miniature stereo audio equipment with a 3.5 or 1/8 inch jack and professional audio gear that uses dual XLR inputs. One of the standout features, right out of the box, is the inclusion of an extra 24K gold-plated 1/4 inch to 3.5 adapter. This thoughtful addition immediately expands the cable's versatility, allowing users to easily convert the 1/8 inch connector to a 1/4 inch, opening up a wider range of device connections. It's a small detail, but one that significantly enhances the cable's utility and portability, making it incredibly easy to operate in various scenarios. The functional design of this 1/8 inch TRS stereo to 2 XLR male Y-splitter patch cable is quite specific and highly effective. It's engineered to connect unbalanced line-level stereo equipment, such as a smartphone, laptop, or camera, to professional audio mixers or interfaces that accept dual XLR left-right inputs. This makes it an ideal solution for anyone looking to integrate consumer-grade audio sources into a more professional sound system without compromising quality. Speaking of quality, the sound performance is where this cable truly shines. It boasts a multi-layer shielding design, incorporating both aluminum foil shielding and braided shielding. This robust construction is crucial for effectively reducing electromagnetic interference, EMI, and radio frequency interference, RFI, which are common culprits for unwanted noise in audio signals. The result is stable audio signal transmission, free from noise or hum, delivering pristine, clear sound and crystal clear music. This level of audio fidelity is something every audio enthusiast or professional appreciates. The professional quality extends to the connectors themselves. The 24K gold-plated connectors are not just for show. They provide excellent electrical conductivity and significantly reduce contact resistance. This reduction in resistance minimizes the attenuation and distortion of audio signals, ensuring that the signal is transmitted losslessly. This design choice helps maintain stable sound quality output over a long period of time, which is essential for reliable performance. Finally, the physical construction of the cable is equally impressive. It features a thick PVC jacket that is highly flexible, yet strong and long-lasting. Users won't have to worry about damaging it due to bending or frequent use. This durable outer layer also contributes to its ease of management, preventing tangles or knots, which is a blessing in any audio setup. The Pegcabac brand has clearly focused on delivering a product that is not only functionally superior, but also built to withstand the rigors of regular use.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.